How to access your email account from cPanel Webmail. Webmail allows you to access your email account through an internet browser. In the address bar of the internet browser, type https://example.com/webmail. Here, example.com is the domain of the email address we want to access and 2096 is port number. Just replace example.com with the domain of the email address and hit Enter button. Now enter the email address and password. Click on the Login button. You can click to check this box so that you can directly open Inbox next time when you log in. Now click on the Open button. Here you can compose and access mails, save contacts, etc. Now you know how to access your email account from cPanel Webmail. Thank you for watching.